The purpose behind cat scratching. Do you know why cats scratch? It's more than just a quirk. Scratching is vital for their well-being. First, cats scratch to keep their claws sharp. This natural behavior helps them stay agile. Scratching removes dead outer layers from their claws. It's like a feline manicure, ensuring healthy claws. Cats also use scratching to mark their territory. Their paws have scent glands that leave a unique signature. When a cat scratches, it's saying, "This is my space." It's an important aspect of their instinctual behavior. Scratching also helps cats stretch their muscles. It's a way to stay limber and physically fit. Ever notice your cat scratching when stressed? It's a natural stress reliever for them, just like exercise for humans. By scratching, cats can release pent-up energy. This helps them feel more relaxed and content. Providing scratching posts can save your furniture and keep your cat happy. It's a win-win situation. Different textures appeal to different cats. Experiment with various materials to find your cat's preference. Remember, scratching is a natural and necessary behavior. Embrace it and provide suitable outlets. Understanding why cats scratch can enhance your bond with your feline friend. Keep them happy and healthy.